Ürüwa Wein. Welcome, my brigade. Continue from where we left off. We left off at number 30, which is Darandi. 31, Darandi Aba. You get to 40. 40 is Biama Wein. Translates to 2 20s. So 2 20s equals 40. 41, Biama Wein Aba. 50 is Dimi San. If you break it down, Dimi is half, and San is 100. So half of 100 is 50. And the pattern continues. Dimi San Aba, 51. Dimi San Biama, 52. We get to 60. Just like we had 40, we had Biama Wein. For 60, it's 3 20s. Ürüwa Wein. And it goes 61, Ürüwa Wein Aba, etc., etc. 69, Ürüwa Wein nefu. 70 is Ürüwa Wein sisi. Now Ürüwa Wein unsu, which is 11. 60 plus 11 equals 71. Can you guess what 72 is? That's right, Ürüwa Wein dusu. 73, Ürüwa Wein taresi. 74, Ürüwa Wein 14. 75, Ürüwa Wein 15. 76, Ürüwa Wein sisi. 77, Ürüwa Wein sedu. 78, Ürüwa Wein widu. 79, Ürüwa Wein nefu. 80 is gadürü Wein. Gadürü Wein Aba is 81, etc., etc. 90 is another one that deserves some attention. We take the same 80, but we add the 10, and gadürü Wein sisi is 90. 91 is gadürü Wein unsu. Gadürü Wein dusu, 92. 99, gadürü Wein nefu. 100 is sa. See you in the next episode.